Alright, we're back. I haven't recorded in ages, probably since San Francisco, but we just arrived in New York today, caught the train. We're going to explore a little bit. I think it's like 6 p.m. right now, so we're going to explore... where are we? We're in Midtown East, so we're going to explore like Grand Central, what else? Rockefeller Center, Times Square, St. Patrick's Cathedral, so yeah. Explore New York, but oh my god, I hate how I look in a beanie. I don't know how people rock it, but
do I rock it?
Yeah, you do. I just feel like it. I just feel fucking ugly with this beanie, but I know we'll push through it. But I haven't recorded in ages. Just wanted to enjoy the trip, but got to vlog New York, of course. So right now we're walking to Grand Central Terminal. I think that's from Madagascar. They escape and they go to Grand Central Terminal, but we'll see how cool. Apparently it's like really fancy in the middle. So are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Should be cool. This is like a 2-minute walk from our apartment as well, so pretty clutch. So we'll suss out that and then maybe go to the cathedral, maybe Times Square, maybe get some dinner, and then go back to see the Rockefeller tree because it's going to be later tonight because it's going to be so busy. And we're ice skating there tomorrow night, Christmas Eve at 7 o'clock. I think it's going to be fucking hectic. But we should have booked it later.
Yeah,
it's going to be so busy, but it's alright. You have to do it. Christmas Eve, you have to do it. So I don't even know if we're on the right. Oh yeah, we'll just keep walking straight. Grand Central. We've made it to Grand Central. Whoa. This is awesome. Alright, where should we go now? Kidding. Whoa. Oh, there's someone playing the cello. He's in a flow state right now. Yeah, this is where all the Madagascar animals came. This is awesome. Alright, we finally made it to the Rockefeller tree. This is like 3 hours later than when I last recorded. It was too busy walking around near Times Square and stuff, but we're here. There's a tree right there, baby. That's actually, it's beautiful. I've seen TikToks of people saying it's disappointing, but just get over it, mate, honestly. It's a fucking massive Christmas tree in New York. It's awesome. And I'm here at like 11 p.m. because it's like less, it's like a good time to come when it's less busy, but there's still like a lot of people around. That's gonna be us tomorrow. It's so busy and it's 11 p.m. And we're going at 7:20, but it's fine. It's iconic. Loki might do the Central Park ice skating as well, maybe, because it's cheaper and it's bigger. So walking to Times Square now. I'm gonna wait until midnight because it goes from pure brain rot ads everywhere, just like to like an art piece. So it goes from like one extreme to the other. So like doom scroll to like peaceful, chill. So I'm gonna see all the, what do you call it, like the screens? Yeah, transform into like art pieces. But not really anyone behind me. But it's cool. Streets are lit up a little bit. But holy shit, it's busy around that, like I think it's called 5th Ave or something. So busy around there. Shit, I've got 5% battery left, but we made it. The stairs are closed, I don't know why, but I feel like such a tourist here. But you obviously have to do it when you're in New York. Like, you've got to go to Times Square. I just feel... This is so cool. It's pretty cool, just all the ads everywhere. But I guess it's like surface paradise. Like no one visits here if you're from New York. But I don't know, it's worth seeing, I guess. I'm annoyed the stairs are closed up there, but and I don't know where the ball drop is. It's like in Times Square, but I don't know if it's like up there or I don't know. There's so much shit going on here, honestly. It's like a fucking... Oh, I just walked through someone's shop. Fuck. There's actually so many NPCs around here. I guess I'm one of them, right? I guess I'm one of them, but... What the hell? Oh my god. Sensory overload and a half. I'm not gonna have to talk to anyone for like 3 hours now. Oh, there's Litterby. Right there. That's tall. Pretty tall. Thought I'd be seeing more characters, like Elmo and shit like that, but... One day I'm gonna be on those billboards. Come back in 5 years and you'll see. Right, Merry Christmas Eve. It's the next day. It's actually night time right now. I forgot to actually... No, I didn't forget. My camera died last night and I forgot to charge it. But we just did Central Park today and Natural History Museum. But we're about to go ice skating at the Rockefeller Center, baby. It was so expensive, but look, gotta do it when in New York, right? So yeah, we're gonna do that now. Gonna fall on my ass, but that'll be fun. Yeah, just explore a little bit after as well. Maybe get some Joe's Pizza, watch a Christmas movie, Christmas Eve. So here, yeah, and then yeah, just walk around a little bit, feel the Christmas magic of New York. And then tomorrow, maybe do Christmas markets. I think they open at like 12, so we'll do that. And we got a few lookouts to go to as well. So yeah, massive day today. We left at like, I don't know, a bit after 9:30. We came back at like 6:30, pretty much. And pretty much just gonna head straight to some ice skating, baby. And I got a little, it's kind of like a Christmas sweater, I'd say, on, you know, same vibe. So let's see how we go skating. It's gonna be busy, but gonna be fun. We made it. We're on the ice. We're on the ice. It's so busy. I thought it'd be busier low key. It's not too bad. It's like decent. It's decent, but
I'm trying to work on my game.
I've been out of the game for a while, so I gotta get back into it. You know, you gotta push out with your legs, whatever you do. I don't know, but oh yeah, I'm cooking. Oh, Nozzy, hey buddy, get chocolate, buddy.
I generally can't do this.
Oh shit. Oh, I gotta navigate everyone. Oh shit.
He took a photo.
You can't go full pelt because like. Oh, I'm in a rhythm now. Yeah, I'm in a flow state. Let's go. Shit, everyone's up there. Hey guys. Hey. Oh shit.
We ask that you exit the ice slowly
Oh shit.
while maintaining a safe distance between yourselves.
Oh, I'm in the middle of people.
Please return
Oh
to
shit.
your skates, retrieve your belongings in your locker, and make your way out of the venue. Thank you for joining us today at the rink at Rockefeller Center.
Oh, alright. I'm getting the hang of it. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I've skated like twice before, but there's a tree. This is sick. There's someone doing like dances and spins. Oh wait. So I'm going to try to go back around. They're all the way back there. I'm going to go back around, film them. Or I feel pretty good. But this is such an ick. Like, is this worth 100 US? No. But it's iconic. You gotta do it. Oh, you don't have to, but I don't know. It's iconic. Christmas Eve, fuck it. Money comes back. Yeah. Oh, where did they go? Oh, he's not dancing anymore. I made it all the way around.
Thank you for joining us at the rink at Rockefeller Center. At this time, we need to clear the ice for resurfacing. We kindly ask you exit the ice slowly and carefully while maintaining a safe distance between you and others. If you're wearing
gotta exit.
orange stickers, your
They're
skating
redoing the
session-
ice. Oh, proposal. They're not clearing the ice. Oh, don't fall over. Oh, so that's what they cleared the ice for. Bro's saying a whole script, whole movie script. I was literally saying, I feel like I'll see a proposal. Like not here, in New York. I was like, I feel like I'll see a proposal. Bro's yapping, bro. Hurry up. He's got another ring. Oh, he's got 3 rings.
What? Is he proposing for 3 times?
Nah, bro has 3 rings. He has 3 rings. That's crazy. Come on, buddy, wrap it up. Wrap it up. I want to ice skate. Wrap it up, buddy. My attention span's cooks. I can't. Is she saying yes or no? Oh, he's on the 3rd one. This is the longest proposal I've ever seen.
Oh, she almost fell.
Oh, it's a yes. We got there in the end. Right, we're back. The dance is back. Michael Jackson on ice. Oh, yeah, he's smooth. Oh, he's cooking. Right, ready? I'm about to get real motivational. Money comes back. Experiences don't. Take that risk. Spend that cash. Treat yourself, because like you're not going to worry about $150, you know. But the experience will last a lifetime. All right. And that's words of wisdom right here, baby. New York City, Christmas Eve. Oh my God, how busy it is. We're not going to be able to walk through Times Square. Fuck it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler.
From New York City. I thought they weren't going to say it. But there's a bit of a delay there. No, we're here. In the Big Apple. We're here in the Big Apple for New York Christmas. We're about to walk to the top of the rock. And look at the views up there, and then maybe do a little of Manhattan, and then do a little Christmas market later on. But yeah, it's not too busy on the streets actually, which is good. And then we got another observation point at night. But it's Christmas, baby, in New York. It's not snowing today, but it'll snow tomorrow, I think, hopefully. So Boxing Day, snow, should be a little movie. God. This is awesome. Oh, we can make that. No, we can't. Alright, we made it to the very top. There it is. Empire State Building. Shit, I'm on 10% battery, but oh well. This is a crazy Christmas day. Looking out at the city. Such a crazy skyline. Insane. You see it in all the movies, and finally here. Shit. So windy up here. Yeah, you see it in all the movies and shows, and then actually being up here is crazy. It's so iconic. There's Central Park. Over there. Such a massive city. Like size-wise and population, I guess. I think Tokyo has more population. I don't know, but yeah, wow. I literally just spent all day up here, just looking at the city. It's insane. Very inspiring. Very inspiring. Okay, it's like an hour or 2 hours later. We finished at Top of the Rock, and we're walking to. We're gonna get some pizza, Joe's Pizza. Hopefully the line isn't too long. Because I went yesterday in the line, like, it was crazy. Went around the block, so hopefully it's like 1:30, so it shouldn't be too busy. And then go to Bryant Park, and then do the Edge, and maybe the Chelsea markets as well, which are close by. So yeah, should be good little afternoon. And then we got a little Christmas dinner tonight. Got a few things from Target, so we'll have that. Just gonna and go to Macy's as well. It's like very all decorated, all Christmas decorations. The shop's actually closed, but we'll just like look at the outside. Bryant Park in New York. It's actually pretty busy right now. Had the best cookie of my life, chocolate chip, like little sea salt on it. But I'm just looking around. Heaps of shops, heaps of food. But yeah, it's pretty busy. Pretty hectic. So we'll just walk around here for like an hour or so. French New York. Oh my god, there's so many shops. I might buy some things. We're up here at the edge. So many people, bro.
Their sunset. One of their sunsets there.
Sunsets over there. It was a movie. Oh my god, we're about to walk. Oh, that's kind of creepy. Yeah. Oh, that's feel a bit shaky walking on this. Shit. Woo! There's so many people here though. God, there's actually hectic. Absolute movie. The city looks really nice at night. I want to get a good photo of this. This is really cool. I don't know if I prefer the city at day or at night. Oh, we got another vlogger. Hey, huh? Oh, yeah, same. Yeah, mine doesn't have a light as well.
There's too many people like that.
Stairs over there. This is insane, baby. So busy, but it's getting quieter, I think.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit quieter, I'd say. So over there you got Queens. Over there you got Queen. Oh wait, no, that's not Queens. That's Jersey. Over there you got Jersey City, and then down there you got Empire State Building. I don't know what accent this is. And then down there we got Queens. And we got the Bronx. And we got Brooklyn as well. I can't do a New York accent. I'm walking here. Oh. I don't consent to being filmed.
Oh, it does. Yours does. Oh, yeah, no, hold on.
Oh. I'm trying to work out the light. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Edge in New York City. We're about to go home soon, have a feast from Target, have some good food, eat in the apartment, stay warm, maybe watch the NFL, watch some Christmas movies. Yeah, it's going to be a movie. Watching a movie, it's going to be a movie. I don't know, that sounded awful. Let me try get a better view. Oh, I found an opening. Call me Saquon Barkley, I found an opening. How good is that? Christmas in New York. Christmas in New York. We got our little plate up here. Got ham, chicken, potato, Caesar salad. Got the NBA on, got my hat. Got the Grinch shirt. And brownie with the cocoa chains. Merry Christmas. Hey. Oh. Got some veggies. I had some ham up here. Watermelon, cheese, bread. That is not our alcohol.
Exactly.
Right, we got our tinsel.
Cannon's getting lit.
Got our tinsel. Oh, our tinsel fell down. Put that back up there. Yeah. This is Christmas in New York. Oh, get it.
Donald.
Get it, I guess. It is literally snowing right now. I don't know if you can see it. It's snowing. It's a day late, but look, we'll take it. Look, that car already has a bit of snow. I think we're about to get 9 inches of snow tonight, which is a lot. Yeah, Unfortunately, a day late, but who cares? Who cares? It's still elite. Still elite. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome to see. This worked out perfectly. This is what I wanted from New York Christmas. You know, snowing. Look, we'll take it. It's close enough. It's close enough. It's close enough. I feel like Rockefeller Center's gonna be packed since it's snowing. Loki, we should go to the Rockefeller Center just to see the tree while it's snowing.
That'd be pretty cool.
It might be packed, but
Maybe go there first when you get there.
fuck it. Oh my god.
That's not bad. It's literally like 8 minutes.
Let's just pretend this is Christmas.
It is Christmas though.
Boxing Day. Snowing out here. Good vibes. See, this is what I thought about when I thought about Christmas in New York. Tree in the back. Granny's filming. Everyone's filming. Oh. Hey.
You never see the camera guy.
Yeah. This is crazy. Hopefully the snow builds up and you actually see snow on the streets. That should be really good. There it is. Snowing everywhere. Definitely some Christmas vibes. See, if this doesn't get in the Christmas spirit, I don't know what will. Well, Christmas is over, but ready for next year, I guess. Everyone's here as well. Someone needs to be playing Christmas carols. They need to have Christmas carols on the street, surely. That would be a good vibe. That would be, yeah. We're out here, Central Park, and it's snowing. This literally feels like I'm in a Christmas movie. This is wild. There's a bridge there. I think that's Gapstone Bridge or something. I don't know, but literally full of snow. And we started snowing like 2-3 hours ago maybe, and it's already covered up there. This is actually beautiful. I'm so glad it snowed here. And got to see Central Park in the snow. I'll probably go again in the morning. It's 9 o'clock right now. Probably walk around here for an hour, go to bed, get up at like 5 or 6 and explore more when it's a bit lighter. Oh wait, no, it'll still be dark that early, but I don't know, I'll go in the morning as well. But that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is the coolest shit ever. There's a city up there. And there's an ice skating rink. You climb up this. Go up here. Yeah, ice skating rink up there. Oh, down there. Wow, this is beautiful. I think they were saying that this is like the second biggest, or the biggest snowfall since 2021, I believe. I could be wrong, but yeah, this worked out so well. It's just snow everywhere. This is insane. So happy right now, honestly. How could you not be happy? Walking around Central Park in the snow. It's crazy because we came here for a white Christmas or like a cold Christmas, and then we're like, oh, we don't think it's gonna snow. And then like a week before we got to New York, it snowed. I'm like, oh, we missed it. And then boom, just started snowing day after Christmas. So I'm underneath this house, little thing. Oh my god. I feel like I'm an elf or Home Alone 2. I need to find the pigeon lady. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. I want to just sit on a park bench and just ponder life. Just, I don't know, just think about things deeply. Now we're walking through this spot called the Mall, I think. And it's just like the iconic trees going that way and that way. Wow. Wow. This will probably like be the only time in my life that I'll see Central Park in the snow. Like when I think about it like that, I'm like, oh my god, like this is once in a lifetime, you know. But you know, who never know. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Who knows? I might be back and might be snowing again. But you just gotta think that this might be your last time, you know, here. Like you just gotta appreciate every moment, live every moment, and yeah, take advantage of every day. Alright, we're back in New York. There's like a three-day time jump. Went to Boston for about 3 days. Now we're in New York, on the Lower East Side. Yeah, it's fucking freezing as shit. It's so cold. It's like -12. But it's alright. Just walking around. We're gonna do some vintage shopping. See if we can find any good vintage. Do some little thrifting over here. And we're going to an Aussie pub tonight. Have a palmy. Been missing home. And was really craving a palmy, so we're going to Old Mates. And I think a few like famous people in it, like Andy from Hamish and Andy, a few other people. So a few weeks ago, Hugh Jackman was singing there with Kate Hudson. So who knows? Someone might be there tonight. You never know. So yeah, just gonna walk around a bit. Hopefully find some good stuff. Vintage markets. Okay, we've gone over 2 so far. Hit the thrift shops, but we're in East Village right now. It's really nice here, actually. Sidewalks are bigger, have more room, it's less busy. Like the buildings are cool. I like classic like New York style buildings. But yeah, we went over 2 thrifting, so we're on the 3rd one. So hopefully we find some stuff. Hopefully, but I don't know. Not looking good, bruv. But the stores are massive. Like it had heaps of stuff, but just nothing that stood out, you know. And I don't want to get something just for the sake of getting it. It's got to really stick out to me. It's got to really tell me a story. With the clothes, you know. Okay, that was cooked perfectly. We're back from Aussie Mates pub. I didn't record anything, but that was the palmy. It was fucking massive. And Nossie had a steak. It was good, you know, get a little taste of home, you know, on our trip. Haven't had a palmy in weeks. And that's criminal, you can't have that, but it was good. Like, it was a good palmy. It wasn't like nothing crazy. Like, the palmy wasn't insane, but it was nice. You know, it was refreshing to have different kind of food, like Aussie food. But yeah, I definitely had better palmies back home, but really solid. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody.
Happy New Year.
We're getting ready, hit the town. The town's about to be painted red after we're done with it. Look at Nossie. You never heard that expression? Paint the town red?
What's the song?
Who sings it?
Cardi B.
Yeah! No, wrong.
Doja Cat.
Yeah,
thing,
Doja
they look
Cat.
the same.
Here's my fit. Got the, I know you can't see, but navy, black pants, and then the Asics, and then underneath we got cream. Alfred's. Nossie got a good find at the thrift shop.
I'm trying to steal
I'm trying to steal it. No, I got this at the thrift shop. Little, what? Universal Records, yeah, that's it. So yeah, we're gonna go to Rooftop, 5-hour free open bar. Well, it wasn't free because we paid for it, but like technically it's free, you know. So gonna go crazy, and there's a good view of Midtown as well. So it's it's catching on. Well, I've stolen it from AB, but it's gonna be a movie, as Brownie said. Oh, yeah. Today is the last day in New York City. I haven't really filmed much, but yesterday, what did we do yesterday? We went to Williamsburg in Brooklyn. Looked at the vintage markets, went to Chinatown, got like a $10.50 meal, like three meats, rice, really good value. Look at this view, by the way. How good. Sad to be leaving. Love New York. We're staying in Chelsea right now. It's such a crazy view. So right now I'm about to go to the friend's apartment, which is near here, and then what I do? And then go on the High Line, the Chelsea High Line. It's like an abandoned, used to be an abandoned train station, but now they turned it into like a park where you can walk along. And then I'm gonna catch a ferry to Statue of Liberty. Just like go past it, and then yeah, I think that should be all we're doing today. And then we're going out for dinner last night in New York, and then fly to LA, and then one night in LA, then fly home. So yeah, excited to come home. Yeah, missed the heat a lot, like really bad. Can't wait to just have a dip in the pool. You know, it's too cold over here. But let's go to the friend's house. Alright, made it to the friend's apartment. There it is. Pretty cool. This little cafe at the bottom. But I think this is West Village or Greenwich Village. It's really nice. All the apartments got the cool, bricks with the fire escapes, like classic New York. Yeah, there it is. Friend's apartment right there. I think I'm gonna get bagels now. I'm starving. Haven't had any food, so we'll go to Apollo, some bagels, and then go on the High Line. Bagels have been secured. Look at that, tomato, cream cheese, olive oil, I'm pretty sure. And my toxic trait is I always drink the juice before the food comes, so I'm gonna have nothing to wash this down with, but that's alright. And these bagels are probably my favourite. Easily my favourite bagel in New York. So crunchy. We're on the High Line right now. We're on the High Line right now. At the end of it, just walked. I think it's like a 30-minute walk, maybe, like 20. Really cool. It'd be cool in summer when there's leaves on the trees, but yeah, this is like the end of it. So I'm gonna get the ferry to go past Statue of Liberty. Yeah, this is really cool.
He's like very ominous.
There's like a few art pieces and stuff as well, and you can still see because it used to be an old railway. You can still see the plants in the middle of the tracks as well, which is cool. You can't hear me, but we're on the Statue of Liberty. It's so cool. I'm literally like one of the only ones outside here right now. So pretty. Only $4.50, and right next door there was a place. It's like a tour for like $40, so I got a steal. So the last thing I filmed was in New York on the ferry, and I'm actually in LA right now. Have one more night, and then we fly home to Australia. So yeah, didn't really film much after the ferry. What did I do? Went to Chinatown after the ferry, walked around a little bit, then we went and got dinner at the medium rare restaurant. We had to wait like 30 minutes after our booking, which was really annoying, but the food was good. They gave you seconds, little steak, chips, not pasta, salad, bread, really good. Really, really good. And yeah, I had a flight this morning. I had to get up at like 3, ungodly hour. Yeah, landed in LA at like 1:30. Yeah, a bit before 1:30. We're here now. This is the place. Really nice. Really nice. Staying in Beverly. So yeah, just here for a night and then we're going back. So yeah, that was it. That was the trip. Didn't film too much because I just wanted to enjoy it. So didn't want to, not live in the moment and like just record everything. But I filmed a few things. So yeah, really amazing trip. Really lived up to everything I hoped it would be and more. Really enjoyed America. Like, trip of a lifetime, honestly. So don't know where I'm going to go next. Probably a few years until I go somewhere. So my bank account's absolutely rinsed. Probably like next year or so. But yeah, that was it. That was America. Thank you very much for watching. And I don't know, I'll see you later maybe. Bye.